Read the story. 1, 2, 3, go.
My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 days for 10 students. On the wall is our art work. We have cut out and painted turkeys for Thanksgiving. During recess,
During
recess, we play on the monkey bars. In the afternoon, Mrs. Brown reads a story. Then it is time to go home.
Sige, question ha. Grace. What is the teacher's name?
Mrs. Brown.
Kayla. What do they do during recess? Musa man lang gibuhat pag sa time sa recess.
Lay on
Musa man lang duwa.
the monkey bars.
Okay. So, Jonaline, how many students are there? Pila sila kabuok estudyante sa kuan? Pila sila kabuok? Yeah. Ano na po tas mga dagko? Explain ninyo ha. Explain. Number 1, si Narjan. Explain ang 2 sentence.
My teacher is Mrs. Brown. We have 10 days for 10 students. Na daw teacher ng pangalan si Brown. Yeah, na daw 10 nga days para sa mga estudyante.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, this is a level 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, take your seat.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, so let's check your assignment. Are you done to answer that one?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Number 1.
Number 1. The average of 7 numbers is 24. The smallest of the numbers is 2 and the largest of the numbers is 31. What is the average of the middle numbers?
Yes, tell me.
C, 27.
Very good. The correct answer is letter C, 27. Next, question number 2.
Number 2. Two side lengths of triangle are 5 and each of the following cannot be the length of the third side.
Yes, Nash. Okay. The correct answer is letter D, 12.
3. Blank Eric wishes to shift the graph of the function f open parenthesis x close parenthesis equals x to the power of 2. 4 places to the right and 6 places down from the origin. Open parenthesis 0.0 close parenthesis, which equation represents this translation?
Yes, Nigel.
B. F open parenthesis x close parenthesis equals open parenthesis x 4 close parenthesis 2 negative 6.
The correct answer is letter B. Okay.
Number 4. What is the self-intercept
Form of open parenthesis 13 times minus 5 times close parenthesis plus 12 minus 2y
equals 6?
743.5.
743.5.
All 8 times 3 4.
Yajen sa 5.
Ha?
43 sa 5.
43 sa asa.
5!
Oh.
Number 3.
Uy!
Tia.
This! Wow! Big pati-pati.
Kasi number 4 ninyo. Or yan.
Si
Number 4 ninyo.
Earl lang sa kay Mana.
Asan takip? Ano yung takip? Tara! Gimme.
Number 4 kapag ay kasunod din ako.
7, 3, 4, 8, 2, 7.
Number 5.
Sorry. Ano na yun?
Siya.
Brianna and her cousins.